Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another tutorial video. And today we will be showing you guys how to download a Windows 11 ISO from scratch. In some ways it's a little bit easier than Windows 10 and in some ways a little bit more difficult. But let's go ahead and get started. First we need to open up the internet. Now you would think to search for Windows 11 ISO download. As you can see, the first thing you're going to get since it's so new is just news. And then as you can see, the only thing from Microsoft is this upgrade to Windows 11 OS. And it takes you directly to the Windows 11 page. And even down here, same thing, Windows 11, learn about it. And then if you go here, this is really just a giant advertisement that takes a very long time to load. But at the end, it just wants you to upgrade and check for compatibility. So what you're going to actually search for is Windows 10 ISO download. And then you'll see right here, it'll take you right to the download page for Windows 10. We already have a video up on how to download the Windows 10 ISO because it's not the most straightforward thing. So all you have to do is go up here right next to software download where it says Windows. You will click on that. And then right here is Windows 11. And as you can see right here, there's a Windows 11 installation assistant. Create Windows 11 installation media, which is the only option it gives you with Windows 10. And then right here, download Windows 11 disk image. You'll just have to select Windows 11, hit download, and then you will select the language, hit confirm, and then there's only a 64-bit version. And then as you can see, it's 5.1 gigs, and this is a current version of Windows 11 directly from the Microsoft website. Now, what's really cool is it also has the Windows 11 installation assistant, as well as the installation media. Alright, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial video. Let us know down in the comments what you would like to do a tutorial over next, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.